In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flush your Cloudflare cache. This process might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step to make it easy to understand and execute. First, let's start by heading over to the Cloudflare dashboard. You can do this by logging in at dash.cloudflare.com. Make sure you have your account credentials ready. If you've forgotten them, there are options for recovery, so you can get back in easily. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard, which displays all the domains or websites you have connected to Cloudflare. Now, find the domain or website whose cache you want to flush. This is important because Cloudflare organizes its caching configurations by domain, allowing you to manage each one individually. When you've found the correct domain, go ahead and select it. This will take you to the detailed settings page for that particular site. Next, we want to navigate over to the caching section. You'll find this option in the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Once you're in the caching section, look for Configuration. This area holds all the settings related to caching behaviors and purges, which is exactly what we need. You're almost there. Now, look for the option that says Purge Everything. Clicking this button will tell Cloudflare to remove all cached files associated with your selected domain. At this point, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your action. This is a safeguard to ensure you don't accidentally clear your cache. Go ahead and confirm by selecting Yes or Confirm in the prompt. Once you've confirmed, Cloudflare will get to work on purging the cache. This typically takes up to about 30 seconds, so it's relatively quick. While you wait, it might be helpful to understand what cache purging does. By purging the cache, you fully invalidate all cached content. This means that the next time a visitor accesses your site, Cloudflare will fetch fresh files directly from your origin server rather than serving outdated cached versions. This is particularly useful if you've recently made significant changes to your website and want those changes to reflect immediately for all your visitors. And that's it! You've successfully flushed the Cloudflare cache for your domain. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you make changes to your site and need those changes to be seen immediately by your audience. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.